Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to download and install VirtualBox on Linux Mint. So what we do, we go to open a browser, go to Google and type virtualbox.org. This is the official website. Go to download, then we go to Linux. Over here we have more options, so to find out the right one for us, special for Linux, we open a terminal, then we type cat dc. This is the command. So over here we have ID like, which is Ubuntu Debian, and we have Ubuntu codename, which is Noble. That means is this version. It's gonna take a few seconds to download this. Right, the file has been downloaded. Additionally, what we can do is to check the integrity of the file that has been downloaded and compare it with what's already on the main website of the VirtualBox. To do that, we type SHA-256 sum downloads, as the file has been downloaded in downloads virtual. Right, if you press auto tab, it's gonna complete everything. Then we type grep. What we need to do is to head to this SHA-256 checksum. So over here there is more options for extension pack, for Windows, for Linux. For us, we need this one, the Ubuntu Noble. If you remember, we copy it, then we press paste and enter. So over here we can see that the file, the numbers are the same. That means the file has not been compromised or modified through the download, which is good. Next, let's navigate to downloads. The file is over here. What we need to do next is to install the dependencies of the VirtualBox itself, of the file. So to do that, we type sudo dpkg, then virtual. So this is the command that we need to do. If you press enter, we need to put our password. As you can see, we have an error processing the package, which is normal. If you scroll up, it says that some libraries are not installed. So to do that, to sort this out, we need to actually install them. So we type sudo apt install now. We get another error saying we need to fix the broken install. To do that, we actually type this command. type yes. Now what we need to do is to try and install again the packages, the dependencies. To do that, we run this command again. Okay, now officially VirtualBox has been installed. To double check that, just type VirtualBox, Oracle VirtualBox, and then here we are. What we need to do next, we need to add ourselves as a user, especially if you use Linux. We need to do that in VirtualBox. So to do that, we type the following command: press enter. Right. The next step is we need to download the VirtualBox extension pack. To do that, we go back to the main website and we need to download this extension. You accept and download it. It's gonna take a few seconds. You open it and you have to install it. You need to make sure you agree with the VirtualBox license. Scroll down and agree. We need to type our password again, and here we are. VirtualBox and the VirtualBox extension pack has been installed. To check the extension pack, go into extensions. If you see this tick which is active, that means you've done everything right. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.